Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by powering the tablet off and removing any case or screen protector. These can cause pressure issues. Once done, back up critical files using USB or cloud. This protects data if a reset is needed. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging if touch still responds briefly. Otherwise, prepare a PC with ADB and a reliable cable. You do this because software access lets you run diagnostics and schedule the safe resets that often fix unresponsive touchscreens. Now, boot the tablet into safe mode to determine whether third-party apps are blocking touch events. If touch works there, uninstall recent apps. Make sure to run ADB and execute a DB shell get event to watch raw input. This reveals whether the digitizer is reporting touches. Once you confirm hardware signals are weak or irregular, attempt recalibration via service menu or reflash the touchscreen firmware from the manufacturer image. You do these steps because they separate software causes from hardware faults. Finish by performing a factory reset only after you've completed a full backup. This clears lingering software corruption. If touchscreen firmware reflash fails or touch signals remain inconsistent, power down and carefully reseat the digitizer flex cable or replace the digitizer assembly. This resolves most permanent failures. Make sure to test the screen between steps and record any error codes displayed. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: try a different known good digitizer or consult the manufacturer's service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.